Welcome, Hila community. This is Smiley Agency.
Hila community, salubungin ninyo. Smiley Agency memories, puso ko'y buo. Sa ngiti at
I want to introduce the owner of Smiley Agency. Please welcome the one and only owner, Astra.
si Miss Azra.
Our co-owner, Miss Jel. Our head admin, Empress. Admin, Angelo. Admin, Bebs. Admin, Kyla. Admin, Mr. Ching. Admin, Ace. Admin, Walter. Admin, Only Sad. Admin, Fighter. Admin, Miss Ching. Admin, Linsky. The Our Memory. I want to introduce our two editor of Smiley Agency and member. Please welcome Editor Mary and Editor Demon. The Our member, Pinuno, Angela, Rose, Gushon, Harin, Hunter, Jans, Crazy One, Christina, What If, Clark, Kitty, Casey, Mr. Cedric, Miss Cha, Gerald, Curtin, Ate Jo, Kylie, Maujak, Jack Mau, Blessy, Loki, Jamaica, Marge, Cassie, Dean, Kentlin, and last but not least, Mr. Ken.
Bawat yugto ng aming kwento, nandiyan ka, di kumukupas ang ginto. Mga ala-ala-ala, baon naming lahat. Sa bawat bukas, mas lalong tatata.
Our Memory Certificate in Smiley Agency. Thank you for watching.